Happy New Year from the Kai Smith Agency of Farmers Insurance Group. I would like to provide you with 5 tips on things that you should do the first week of January. Number 1, if you have not had a review with your insurance agent, you should request that you have a review of your coverage. This is very important to maintain the discounts that you currently have. Insurance companies renew your discounts every year when your policy renews, either annually or biannually. Many clients do not realize this, and so discounts are non-renewed, resulting in a higher premium. For example, burglar fire alarm coverage, monitored coverage, is typically required by insurance companies to be verified annually or biannually to ensure that the coverage is still active. If your insurance company provides discounts based on your career or profession, such as a police officer, a firefighter, or an educator, many times the insurance company will require the renewal of this discount annually and will request that you provide documentation to show that you are currently still employed in that profession. Tip 2. Check your contents coverage. This is a very big area that tends to be overlooked. During Christmas time, we receive gifts. We receive gifts during the year at our birthday, or sometimes when we see that great sale, we upgrade our living room set, or we may buy new electronics. And quite naturally, we're not thinking to call the insurance agent at that moment in order to increase our coverage. January is a perfect time to do that, to make sure that the coverage that you have is accurate for all of the additional belongings that you may have received or purchased throughout the year. Number 3, make sure that you do have a need or do not have a need for a jewelry floater. And if you do, that you do have it on your coverage. What is a jewelry floater? Insurance agencies will cover your jewelry under your renter's or your homeowner's policy up to a particular limit depending on the insurance company. If you have a high value or high dollar jewelry item, it is important that you have a jewelry floater or have that particular item scheduled in your insurance policy, to make sure that if it disappears or if there's damage to your home and you cannot locate it, the insurance company will replace the item at the actual cost or value of the item today and not up to their maximum amount. For example, grandma's ring might have a value of $5,000 in which it appraises for. If your insurance company has a limit per jewelry piece of $1,500, they will only provide $1,500 for that piece unless you have a jewelry floater. Tip 4. Make sure that you do have current insurance cards in your vehicle. In our state of Alabama, we will be having a new system in January that will verify insurance coverage. However, it is very uncomfortable to have to tell the story to the police officer when you're pulled over because you don't have a current insurance card. Trust me, I'm the insurance agent and I've done it before. January is a great time to check your cards and make sure they have not expired and they're current. Lastly, tip 5. Verify your contact information. It is amazing how many clients do not do this. When we try to call in our office a client and we do not have the current phone number on file, we have to send a letter to try to get in touch with the client. Many times during the year, we will change our cell phone providers, change our phone numbers. Maybe our job has changed. I've even had clients that have moved and they've forgotten to tell me the new address. It is very important that your insurance agent has the correct address in the event of an emergency, maybe a change to your policy, premium increase, premium decrease, or maybe there's just something better out there for you, and your insurance agent wants to make sure they can get in touch with you to see if it is an option and you're eligible for it. So it is very important that you check that information. I hope these tips are able to help you. And I wish all of you all a safe, happy, and blessed New Year. Thank you. Bye-bye.